Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market. I've got a 2014 Kenworth W900 factory-built glider kit day cab, built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 46,000 rears, lockers, headache rack, 680 total on the miles. It was rebuilt 200,000 ago. I've gotten it hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you oil pressure, blow by underneath the hood, everything that we're working with here. Let's get started. Excellent rubber all around. Southern trucks with no rust. Body's in good shape. A few little small blemishes on the paint, a little scratch there, a little bit of clear coat on that fender there, and a scratch on this passenger side there, but no body damage. Hood's in good shape, cab's in good shape, and then where some ones de-identified, you can see a little bit of scratching as you see in the right light, but your decal in your truck will go right over that. Excellent match virgins on the rear, air slide fifth wheel. Excellent brakes as well. Bend on that step there on the bracket. Interior's nice and clean, seats are in good shape. Floor's in good shape. Got extra gauges. There's your lockers. There's your miles. Great low side oil pressure. Smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up there as well. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. Thank you.